Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have An Enemy Battler of an Elite Knight by Onsoy11, A Pack of Pixel Raw Meat by Spider Bro, an MV&MZ plugin by Logan Pickup, which allows restricting which items the player can or cannot sell at certain shops, an MZ plugin by Turya Kontan that stops the window cursor from blinking, another MZ plugin by Turya Kontan that gives us more control over hit and evasion formulas, an MZ plugin by Noon that adds a scene to our game where the player can look up details about items, weapons and armors, and lastly an MZ plugin by Death Alice that plays a sound effect whenever the TPB gauge is full. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.